In this moment, we'll practice loving kindness meditation. This practice opens your heart, cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and goodwill for yourself and others. Take a moment to settle in to a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes, allowing your body to relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body soften as you settle in to this moment. Let go of any tension you may be holding, releasing it with each exhale. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Picture a warm, radiant light glowing in your chest. With each breath, imagine this light growing stronger, filling your body with warmth and compassion. Let's begin by offering loving kindness to yourself. Silently repeat these phrases. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Take a few moments to truly feel these intentions. Let them sink into your heart. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide it back to the phrases and the warmth in your heart. Next, bring to mind someone you care about deeply, someone who brings you joy. Visualize this person in front of you, smiling, happy. Imagine sending the warmth of your heart's light to them as you silently repeat. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel the connection between your heart and theirs, sharing love and compassion. Now, expand your awareness to someone you may not know well, a neutral person, perhaps a neighbor or someone you see in your daily or weekly life. Send the same loving intentions to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Notice how it feels to extend kindness to others, even those with whom you have little connection. Next, bring to mind someone with whom you've had difficulty. This may be challenging, but remember, this practice is about opening your heart, even to those who cause you pain. Visualize them in front of you and silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Allow yourself to send compassion to them, recognizing that, like you, they experience suffering and desire happiness. Finally, expand your loving kindness to all beings everywhere. Imagine the light in your heart growing larger, extending out to the entire world. Silently repeat, "May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease." Feel the connection between yourself and all living things, united in love and compassion. Take a deep breath in, feeling the warmth in your heart, and exhale, releasing any remaining tension. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the peace and kindness you've cultivated in your heart. Carry this loving kindness with you as you go about your day, and know that you can return to this practice whenever you need it. That's it for today's meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation, please find more meditations and lessons at jeremywest.net.